Hey again, fellow DIYers, Doug here. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your water softener and talk about some other basic maintenance tips to keep your system in top shape. The easiest and most effective way to keep your water softener clean is to add water softener cleaner regularly. Typically, you'll only do this once every 4 months or so be sure to check your owner's manual for specific recommendations on frequency and type of cleaner required. Also, you can often extend your manufacturer warranty with regular treatment. Now, since the cleaning process requires recharging the softener, which takes about 2 hours, it's best to clean your softener before going to bed or another time you know there won't be much water usage. Here's how to add cleaner to your softening system. Open the water softener cover. Make sure your salt level is low, less than half full. Locate the brine well, which is the 3-inch diameter cylinder found inside the salt tank, and remove the cover. Pour an entire 16-ounce bottle of your manufacturer brand water softener cleaner into the brine well. Replace the brine well cover. Close the water softener cover. Press and hold the recharge button for 3 seconds, then wait 2 hours before using again. You're done. Sometimes a salt bridge can form in your water softener. When a salt bridge forms, your water will not touch the salt in the system, which ultimately stops soft water from being generated. If you find a salt bridge, it needs to be broken up and moved down into the tank with the rest of the salt. To do this, a common DIYer trick is to push a broom handle into the hardened salt. Work to puncture several holes in the salt so the bridge breaks up into small pieces. This allows the salt to make contact with the water once again. Quick tip, be careful not to damage or puncture the salt tank as you're breaking up the salt bridge. And if you'd like to learn more water softener maintenance tips or are interested in more general product info, check out the Home Water Resources Hub on ecopurehome.com and the other videos in our DIY series. Thanks for watching.